Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a Redmi 10 in the version of 2022. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There you will find this little white box here, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just remove it like this, and otherwise, by the way, you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second one if you want, or a microSD card. Let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it like this here. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner. Just fit like this. Okay, and the contacts are below. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card, as I said. For that, you will need the second space here. This is how it should look like. Now the missing corner is here below. No? And it's again just fit like this here. So missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. If you want to extend the internal storage with a microSD card, there's no space anymore for a second SIM card, because we will need a full space. So you place the you will place the microSD card like this here. Should look like that then. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, and after, just put your construction into the phone like this, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.